this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location and here is some prior attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests to enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 9.2, which is a superb. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Category 2. We talk about the amenities of this property, so you can see on the screen. This will be required to photo ID at check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the property is good and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Documents are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this property along with various viewing plans and payment policy. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For more details, check description below. If you are facing any kind of problem, this property,